Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Craze of Commerce. Our today's topic is e-banking services. E stands for electronic banking, which is also called as virtual banking, and it is a new development in the field of banking. It is a substitute for you going personally into bank and carrying out your transaction. Okay, here you can carry out the transaction on your laptops or on your mobile phones. The main medium for this, that is, you need to have an internet connection. Okay, now there are various types of e-banking services. We are going to look at towards it. First is automated teller machine. Everyone is familiar with ATM, right? Where you have a debit card or you have an ATM card. Once you insert it, you are availed with many facilities, like you can check your balance, you can transfer money from one account to another account, you can have a mini statement of your transactions, as well as you can withdraw money. And nowadays there is a new system, that is, you can even deposit the money. So this is what is automated teller machine. Next is credit card. Credit card is a payment card where you need to have hard cash with you, where with the card, with the availability of card, you can do many transactions. So there is a limit which has been set by bank to your credit cards. You can carry out n number of transactions within that limit, and after some particular time you have to repay that money to the bank. Why? Because bank is paying money on behalf of you first, and after that you are repaying the money to the bank. This is what is credit card. And in debit card, you have the money into your account and then you start making transactions. But that is not case with the credit card. In credit card, first you do shopping, or you can say first you carry out the transactions, and then you get the bill which you need to pay to the bank. In debit cards, as soon as you open your saving account into any bank, you get the debit card facility. Next is RTGS, that is real time gross settlement. It is a fund transfer system where transfer of funds or money takes place from one bank to another. RTGS is what you can transfer your money from one bank to another bank. Now, they says that it is a real time settlement. Real time settlement means there is no waiting period. As soon as you carry out the transaction, the money will be credited into the account of the next party within 2 hours. That is what is real time settlement. Gross settlement, it's settled on one to one basis without bunching any transactions. Minimum amount to be remitted is 2 lakh rupees and there is no upper limit. That means the transactions are not bundled together. Single entry is been passed, single transaction is carried out. Suppose from my account I have to send money to A person, B person, and C person. So I have to carry out the transaction individually. I cannot club those amount together and send it. I have to fill the form separately. I have to make individual transactions. That is what is gross settlement. NEFT, which is National Electronic Fund Transfer. Here, the fund gets transferred electronically from mobiles or from internets, and the settlement takes place in specific working hours. For NEFT also, there is some working hours you need. Within that working hours only NEFT will take place. NEFT is done on net basis. Transactions are bundled together. As I said in the previous example, that if I want to send money to A, B, C, in RTGS I need to file different form. But that is not the case with NEFT. In NEFT, I can send the form or send the money clubbed. I can send the money together. Next is net banking and mobile banking. We all are very familiar with this. Net banking, with the help of computers, laptops, clients are able to carry out the banking transactions, and it enables a client to take various transactions. Means instead of going to bank physically, you can do this even sitting at home by using your laptops or by using your mobile phones. And if you're doing mobile banking, the very first thing is that you have to register your mobile into that bank. Then and then only you will be able to carry out the mobile transactions. And the last is IMPS, that is Immediate Payment Service, where there is no waiting period, nothing. Within a minute your money gets transferred from one account to another account, and here the medium is mobile phone. Now, let's look at the major differences between NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. See, the full form of NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS is Real Time Gross Settlement, and IMPS is Immediate Payment Services. Now, minimum transfer value in NEFT, minimum is that is at least rupee 1 you have to transfer. In RTGS, your minimum transfer is rupees 2 lakhs, and in IMPS again it is rupees 1. Maximum transfer value, for transferring maximum there is no limit, but in IMPS you can't transfer more than 2 lakh rupees. Okay, settlement type, in NEFT some hour basis is there. In RTGS, real time, within 2 hours your money gets transferred, and same is in IMPS, it is in real time. Service timing, NEFT is done only on working days, even RTGS on working days. Nowadays banks are having holidays on second and fourth Saturday, so second and fourth Saturday you can't carry out these transactions. And IMPS is what you are having 24 into 7, 24 into 7 into 365 days. That means anytime you can do IMPS service. Next, payment option, NEFT, RTGS, this both are done online as well as offline, but IMPS is done only online. I hope you have understood. Thank you. If you like my channel, please do like and subscribe.